First time cruising, watch this before you board. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Ashley Neal. I'm a registered nurse and also a travel agent. Today we were going to talk about some mistakes that a lot of first time cruisers and some seasoned cruisers make before their first cruise. So I see a lot of new cruisers making these mistakes, so I thought I would jump on here, give you some tips, and help prevent you from making these same mistakes that I know I have made some, and I know a lot of you other seasoned cruisers have probably made some of these mistakes as well. So the first one I want to talk about is fly in the day before your cruise. Don't try to fly the same day to save a few $100s in a hotel. You're going to end up in a lot of trouble that you don't need to be in. Fly the day before, that way it gives you some extra time in case there are some delays in your flights, if there's something wrong and you get rerouted and are late getting to the port. You don't want to fly in the day of the cruise. There's so much chaos that day, there's so much going on, the traffic is going to be bad. Do yourself a favor, as a first-time cruiser or a seasoned cruiser in general, as you well know, fly in the day before your cruise. Second is going to be purchase your drink packages and your specialty dining before you get on the ship. This is when you are going to get the best price, no matter what people tell you. It is cheaper to purchase these things before you get on the ship. The only time that I would tell you to purchase your specialty dining once on board is if you were only planning on buying a one-night specialty dining, and you might get lucky and get a discount when you get on board for that one-night specialty dining. If you're buying a package with 2, 3, 4 nights specialty dining, or your beverage package, purchase this before you get on the ship. You will save yourself a lot of money. Once you get on board, this is tip number 3. Make your specialty dining restaurant reservations right away. The good restaurants and good times are going to fill up quickly, so you have to go and do that as soon as you get on the ship. They can usually arrange it to whatever you'd like, as long as you do it early. If you wait till day 2, 3, then you're going to have limited options on times and venues to go to. And there will be a reason for that. All the good restaurants book up quickly. Also, if you're looking to do a spa day, you want to do that and make that reservation as soon as you get on board too as well, because especially for things like the thermal suite, you have to reserve times for that, because naturally they can only let so many people in the thermal spa at the same time. So you have to make those reservations early to get the days and the times that you want. Especially sea days, they book up very quickly. Next, I'm going to talk about doing the muster drill. As soon as you get on the ship as a new cruiser, you might ask, what is the muster drill? It's a safety drill. Everybody that gets on a cruise ship, no matter what the cruise line is, you have to do the muster. So they all do them a little bit differently, each cruise line, but once you get on board the ship and you get your cruise card, there will be a letter on your cruise card of where your muster station is. So in the event of an issue on board the ship, they will get everyone to kind of go to their muster station. So say your muster station is A, it might be the casino. That might be where your muster station is. So you would have to go there in case of an emergency, if there was an emergency alarm. There's also a video you have to watch, and you have to go to your muster station and check in with your cruise card. They will scan your cruise card. The cruise line will not leave the port until everybody has done this and checked in and scanned their cruise card. So make sure you do this. You do not want to be someone who they're calling your name overhead because you have not done this, and people are getting upset because we have not left the port because you have not done your muster drill. And also, once you get on board the ship, as soon as you get there, before you do anything else, go find your cabin. You can drop off your carry-on bags. Most times your cabin's not going to be ready, but usually they will let you drop off any carry-on bags. Grab your cruise card. You cannot do anything on the ship, whether it is booking specialty dining, booking your spa, even doing your muster drill, and getting a drink. You can't do any of that without your cruise card. So make this your first thing you do when you step on board the ship. Go to your cabin, get your cruise card, then you can start doing all your other things that you need to do once on board. The first probably hour of being on board a ship seems a little bit chaotic. There's a lot going on. There's a lot of things you have to do, from booking your specialty dining to getting your cruise card, to booking your shows. But after you get all this done, it will be smooth sailing. It will settle down. Everyone will kind of fall in line and, you know, start enjoying themselves. After you get all this done, my biggest tip of all is go get a drink, alcoholic or not, get a drink and relax. Enjoy your vacation and take it how it comes. It's not going to be perfect, but you're going to enjoy yourself regardless. So, thanks for watching, guys. If you want help booking your next cruise vacation, I'll leave my link to my Facebook page in the description. It is the Cruising Nurse Travel is my Facebook page. I'll also leave my email address and the website. So if you need help booking your next cruise vacation, send me a DM. I hope this was helpful, and let me know in the comments, what is your biggest cruise tip for new cruisers? See you next time.